The alcoholism, the anorexia, and the bulimia are already not independent problems. Now, they prefer to take these disorders of the hand, seem extremely weak and consume large numbers of alcohol. In a recent report of the first aid kit there was announced this new problems that affects more than everything the women between 17 and 24 years of age. The young people does not worry about consuming food that work like a shock absorber species in the stomach. Thus the alcohol would be absorbed of slower form, pointed out the clinical psychologist Alejandro Aguirre Reyes to the way. If to consume alcohol is already for himself a threat for the health, to do it while problems of feeding are had turns it into something worse. According to the way, the ethanol ingestion accelerates the illness's appearance even in 60% of the organism and more in case of the women. The stereotypes have done that the physical appearance turns into a constant worry. When one is a young man, the holidays are the main topic of the weekends. For this reason, the psychologist said, the obsession to be thin and the social acceptance of the alcohol have extended dangerously this habit, which has become fashionable especially between the girls. As he makes sure that the specialist the consequences of this disorder are worse. The Ebriorexia does that the mental problems turn into irreparable complications, because a deterioration takes place neuronal severely. It is fundamental to be alert and to announce this disorder of the food conduct to the population, since it is a slightly well-known illness, which is endured in silence and is difficult to identify for the environment, the specialist recommended.